If you're looking for a heavy duty tipping trailer that'll work as hard as you do, then we have the perfect solution for you. This trailer had to handle it all, from heavy loads, rough roads and long trips, covering construction sites from Brisbane, Gold Coast and down to Byron Bay. This customer knew that a basic budget trailer was no longer an option for his needs. That's why our 4.5 tonne rated, full length, 350 grade C-section chassis stood out. It gave him the confidence he needed to ensure the trailer would withstand whatever he threw at it. Being a rear tipping trailer, he wanted to make sure this trailer was equipped with adequate hydraulics to easily and safely tip out heavy loads. Like everything we do at Ox, we have more than adequately covered this with a 6-stage, 9-tonne hydraulic ram. This beast tips with ease every time. Let's run through the accessories on this tipping trailer. First we have our 1200 drawbar box, perfectly integrated into the chassis, give you secure, lockable, dust and waterproof storage. Great for straps, tools and any other bits and pieces you need to carry with you from time to time. Now let's look at this integrated ram storage, the perfect solution to utilise this wasted space between the chassis and the tray. Perfectly integrated into the tray, you can fit 2.5 tonne, 3.5 tonne and 5 tonne ramps in these pockets. They've been designed with support underneath, stoppers and ramp doors at the rear, with easy access and securely stowed under the tray. Now we'll take a quick look at our headboards and ladder rack system. Completely designed to be removable to ensure that you've got a complete flat tray. These headboards are heavy duty, come optioned with ears up the top here when you need to strap on long loads, stop things from sliding around while you're traveling. Lastly, we have our bolt-on tie-down points. These are a 1 tonne rated tie-down point and you can put them anywhere on the trailer. In the floor, in the chassis, on your racks, wherever you need to put them. It's very simple. It's got a hole and a backing plate, a 12mm backing plate on the underside of it to spread the load when under tension. And these are a very, very handy addition to any trailer. If you don't need them, at some point you can take them out. Very easy and not stuck in your tray forever. We're proud to continually manufacture trailers that not only meet our customers' demands, but exceed their expectations. Do you need a trailer that works as hard as you do? Well, we're here to help. Feel free to reach out to our professional team at any time and we'll help you step through the process of getting one of these beasts in your hands. Thank you.